Hey everyone, so today is, as you can see, Dollar Tree Haul Thursday, so let's get right into the video. So this is what I got in foil because I use the name brand and I can get Dollar Tree for $1, so best to do that. So it really works. It comes in handy. So I got this because I wear glasses. And these really work, even though they're for $1, you get 12 of these, in the pack, which is awesome. And they really work. And got them for $1, so that's even better. And I need this for my hair. So I have that I got. And I got this item, including some gloves. And these gloves right here, as you can see, for you to text on, and they really work. So I got another pair, which got the blue ones. I'm gonna go back and get the black ones as those as well. They have a black one, and they have a pair of this style in purple and other colors, but I rather get the blue, color like blue. And I'm gonna go back and get the plain all black. And then I got this because I'm gonna be actually using this today. But I needed this, so I did my dishes. I need to dry on the side. This is what I'm going to be using. So I have lots of dishes that needs to be done today. So this will be put into work today. So, and then I need this. Customer actually was talking about this as I was in line, and they was saying that they use this. So I've been using it for a while and I really like it, so now I'm getting another one to stock up on them because the person said that they run out pretty quick, so I went back and got this. I can tell because this is the last one that was left, so it really works. And it says what it says, which is a plaque, get rid of plaque. It really helps, and it does get rid of plaque. So I got this because I use these for my breakfast sandwiches that I eat in the mornings. So I need some more of these because I was running out of those plastic plates. I was running out of these. And I got some cute glasses. Look at that. It is so cute. Can't really tell. Let me do this. But I can tell. There we go. See a little heart? I think it's so cute. I tried them on. It was 2 pairs. One of like this. And the other one it's like an all black, and it's like the Ray-Ban type of look. But I like these a lot better than those Ray-Ban white ones. So got these. So I'm excited to be wearing these this summer and spring, so it gets sunny and all that stuff. First, for the craft, I was doing the non-craft and decorating section, so I have to do this first because I have a lot of craft things to talk about. So let's talk about this, and I'm going to be using this. So I know I have an idea of what I'm going to be using these for, but I need to go ahead and get them now so I can just go ahead and have them on hand. So because I have a lot of things, like small things I'm going to be organizing with, and I figure I can use these to do that with. So that's that. It's part of the whole crafting and all that section. So that's another ribbon, and these are like the burlap, but these are in this Easter style, but it's blue and it's going along with my whole color scheme. So I might end up using this instead of the other ribbon that I had got. Well, I probably end up using the normal traditional burlap, which is, the tan beige looking color. I might still use that and then use it on top of it to give it a different type of texture look or something like that. So we'll see how that goes. So I got 2 of those, and I'm excited to be using them. Then I also have this bow, hair bow ribbon, type of it's a hair bow, but it's also a bow with it. It's so cute. But I'm actually going to be it's for your hair, but I'm not going to be using it for hair. I'm going to actually, let me grab it. I'm actually going to be placing this onto this. So this is how it is going to look. If I can get it on there. Sorry, I'm trying to do this so you can see how it's going to look. So this is also this finished result. I love it. It is so cute, and can you tell that is actually for your hair. So, but every time I do go into the store, I'm always having ideas what I'm going to do. As you can see, like as I was getting this and the bow and this glass vase, I was like, okay, is this going to look right? So I was testing everything out before I was going to pay for this item, because it didn't look right, and I didn't want one that wasn't pleased with the end results. Basically just how it looks in general, whatever. I wasn't going to get it. But I like how it turned out, so I'm excited. It's gonna be so cute. And I'm going to be having this instead like this smell. And I actually like these. I have another one vase that has these in it, and it smells so good, and it's so pretty as well. And you got it for $1 and get a whole big thing of it. Like, come on now. They have this in a tan, and a tan, it's like a tan kind of style, and I also have this in a green color as well. So all this right here is like green and different types of green, all that stuff. And they also have different types of like smell good flavors. So loving this one, so I continue to keep buying these because they smell so good and they're very decorative. So I'm excited for these, for this to be inside of the empty space around here. This is where I'm going to be putting this at, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, and let's move that out the way, and then I got some candles. So like that, and then also I got this. Yeah, I'm sorry, I have another candle. So that's what I'm trying to say. I have another candle. And this, I don't know if they have any more of these there, but I really like it because the design is so pretty. Ombre with the green and the blue, which is, as you can see, my whole color scheme and like I say, aesthetic. So I'm excited for that. And then I got this because I wanted some greenery, but pretty greenery to go into other vases I'm going to be actually using for actual like flower arrangement. So I wanted this to go inside of that, and also I'm going to try to decorate a little bit for Easter, and for St. Patrick's Day. So this is going to fall in that kind of place, and also maybe for keeping those, for spring. So I have this as well. I love it, so cute. And I was just searching when I was doing this arrangement, trying to get that down packed and figure that out. I saw this up in the floral like section. Saw this to have other colors like a purple, and I think a pink as well. I'm not sure, but I know a purple though, and this blue color. And you get 36 of them, so I think it's just so pretty. So I'm excited to use this for that, and also following my color scheme as well, as long as this color scheme, which is like a matte kind of finish. I'm so excited with this. Cannot wait at all. So excited, and it's so pretty. This is how it looks. Can't really see it, and it's only because it's just like that pretty neutral mint green. So it's like kind of like this kind of like color scheme, kind of like you can tell what it is, the color, but not really when you looking at it farther away. So also to decorate for Easter, I had got these bunnies, and there's the last blue ones. I've been debating on getting these, so I decided to go ahead and get these. So yeah, so I'm excited for that, and it's gonna look so pretty when I start decorating. So let's see how these gonna be. I'm thinking to just keep them blue, or should I do it have them painted white? So I'm kind of debating. I want to paint it white, but I'm gonna just test it out with just the blue first, and if I don't like with the blue, then I'll just paint it. I'll paint 2 of them white, and the rest of them, I guess, leave the other 2, I guess, blue or something like that. We'll see. So be on the lookout for how all this is going to turn out. And then the last thing I got was this for outside, and that's the way it's supposed to look. So yeah, it's supposed to look like that outside, and I'm excited because I've been looking for something to go outside that's going to be big, it's going to be bright, but still keeping with I have blue fur pots outside that's hanging up. You know, I want that, as you see, the color to match that and still be big and still be pretty and spring, you know, vibe and all that and stuff. So, and this does that, so I'm excited. Can't wait to list outside of my porch. Looks good for spring. So that is the ending of the haul. I hope you like and enjoy, and there will be more. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope it inspire you, hope it motivates you to go to your local Dollar Tree so you can find these items that I showed you throughout this video, and I hope you got something good out of it and useful. But as always, before I do go, give you the motivation in each and every single video that I put out for you guys. Stay blessed, stay humble, always have peaceful thoughts and mind, always stay positive. That's the best way to go in life. Why not? And I'm gonna go. Hope to see you on the next video, because it's going to be something big and epic, and it's going to be the regular Dollar Tree haul plus something else. So I hope to see you there, so you can see what's something else that I got for you guys to see, and also for you to get. See you later. As I always say, this is Valucious. See you later.